A woman who is among 15 persons left homeless in Canaan Heights, St. James yesterday after gunmen set their houses ablaze and fired bullets at them when they tried to escape has recounted the harrowing experience to our news team. At least 3 residents sustained minor injuries during the incident. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Residents sieved through the rubble of the premises they once called home in Canaan Heights, St. James. According to the residents, shortly after 3 Friday morning, they were awakened by a loud noise.
I hear a bang, and then when I jump off the bed now, by the time I jump off the bed and run to my daughter's room, I realize a man come inside with a gun hold on me and say he's a police. I said, the police don't know them at time of morning. You come out, the blood of Jesus is against you, no come out. And I start to bawl for Jesus. And when me look, me going down on him and the bawl for Jesus and it tells you come out. And when me look, me realize the fire catch inside the hall. And him jump over the fire and run out. But by the time I run out, I hear some explosion outside. And I run back inside the house.
This woman says she rushed to her daughter's room where they tried to make their escape through the front door. When those efforts failed, they moved to a window.
I hope in the window and I drop out my grandson. Before I drop out my grandson, I hear a shot towards where I was. That time, my niece come out of her house and the ball for fire and help and then shoot after her, so she running back on that door.
So, as the family continues to put the pieces together, the residents are concerned about the children.
All of us are scared, but we are actually glad we all are alive.
And I give God thanks, and I give him honor, and I give him glory, because he's a God, never fail. And I know what have happened to me. I know somebody going to pay the consequence, because I'm not stop praying, and I will not give up on my Jesus.
In the meantime, Member of Parliament for East Central St. James, Ed Bartlett, condemned the incident and has promised to provide assistance.
We are offering our support, yes, in the ways that we know we can. We're trying to help to bring support, resources, that is, to the families to help to restore their livelihood and to bring back some of the assets that they may have lost.
He's also calling for the wider community to come on board. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.